Minister Modi has slammed the Congress over its decision to hand over the strategic Kachadivu Island to Sri Lanka, accusing the party of weakening the country's integrity and interest. Hitting back at Prime Minister Modi, Congress questioned why he was quiet for 9 years on the same, adding that the BJP was using the Kachadivu Island issue for political gains. Here's a report.
With less than a month for the big Lok Sabha polls, Kachadivu, an uninhabited island administered by Sri Lanka, has become the subject of a political war of words. Prime Minister Narendra Modi criticized the Congress for giving away Kachadivu to Sri Lanka years ago. The Prime Minister accused the Congress of weakening the country's integrity and interests.
कांग्रेस ने 4-5 दशक पहले कह दिया कि ये द्वीप तो गैर जरूरी है, फालतू है, यहां तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है। और ये कहते हुए मां भारती का एक अंग आजाद भारत में ये कांग्रेस के लोगों ने, इंडियन अलायंस के साथियों ने मां भारती का एक अंग काट दिया।
This is not the first time the Prime Minister raised the Kachadivu issue. Back in 2023, the Prime Minister had slammed the Congress, asking why it gave away part of motherland India.
तमिलनाडु से आगे श्रीलंका के पहले एक टापू किसने किसी दूसरे देश को दे दिया था? कब दिया था? कहां गई थी? क्या ये भारत माता नहीं थी वहां? क्या वो मां भारती का अंग नहीं था? और इसको भी आपने तोड़ा। और कौन था उस समय? श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी के नेतृत्व में हुआ था।
A reply to an RTI application filed by Tamil Nadu BJP President K. Annamalai said that Indira Gandhi government in 1974 handed over the Kachadivu Island, located in Park Strait, to Sri Lanka.
Today we can safely say Congress, whenever they were in power in India, they had the least interest in securing India's border, territorial integrity and sovereignty.
Kachadivu Island was a disputed territory between India and Sri Lanka until 1974. The island was ceded by the Indian government under Prime Minister Indira Gandhi to Sri Lanka in 1974 in an act of bilateral largesse. In 1976, Indian fishermen were barred from fishing in Kachadivu. Tamil Nadu fishermen have been against the transfer as the agreement undermines the livelihoods of Indian fishermen. Hitting back at BJP, both the Congress and DMK said that the BJP has done no development work in the last 10 years and was bringing out old political issues to distract people.
August 2023, replying in the no confidence motion, the Prime Minister said the same thing. Now why is he tweeting as though he has found something new? Why can't he come out to the present tenure? What has he done?
First you ask Modi, what is going on the China border? Arunachal Pradesh, Ladakh, how many square kilometer occupied by China? Ask him to give white paper report. Then past 10 years, what Modi did?
Tamil Nadu is crucial for the BJP to fulfill their mission set for NDA to win 400 Lok Sabha seats. Will the Kachadivu issue give the BJP a boost in the southern state? Bureau Report, India Today.